In this video, we are going to learn how to use the circle command in NX. So currently, we are into the sketch environment. So here is the command of circle in the ribbon. Just click on it. Here we have the two methods for drawing a circle into the sketch. First one is circle by center and diameter, and the second one is circle by 3 points. Now let's understand both the circle methods. Now let's start this by using the circle by center and diameter. So just click on it, and currently this is highlighted. If I just click on it, it will get highlighted. So this is how we could know that in which mode we are currently. Now just we have to give the center to this. So I'm going to give the center at origin. This is the origin. And whenever you get the window like this, just click on the point you want to have, like existing point, sketch on origin. Just click on it and it will help you to get the circle at that particular location. Now it is asking for the diameter. So the diameter is going to be 100, and just press MB3, which is the scroll bar button. And here you'll get the diameter. And if you want to change into radius, then just have a right click on that and just go to the option of convert to radius. So it will convert it to the radius. Now let's have the 3-point circle. For that, I'm going to just draw some lines here like this. Now just go to the circle, use the method of 3-point and just define the 3 points. This is first point, and this is the second point, and this is going to be the third point. So basically 3-point circles are used where we have to give the tangency among the 3 lines, like here 3 lines, but these are not tangent correctly, as here we have the tangency. But most of the use of the circle with the 3-point are used where there are lines and we need the tangency at specific locations. Like here we have the tangency, here we have tangency, but it is not maintaining the tangency at this line. So that's the reason of using the 3-point circles. And if the sketch is fully defined, like if these lines are defined correctly, so it will be tangent like this. I'm just adjusting manually just to have the demonstration. Just let me give the relation as well, tendency. Now you can see we have a circle that is tangent about all these 3 lines. So this is how we can define the circle. Now just go to the circle again, and here I'm going to use the circle by center and diameter. Now here we have a circle and I want to give the dimension. For that, just click on the periphery or on the circumference of the circle, then define the diameter. The diameter is going to be as 200, and here we have to give the dimension. So just select this one and the center point. This is going to be as 350, and similarly from the horizontal axis to the center, like this. Now you can see this is blacked out. That means it is fully defined. So this is all about the circle, like how we can draw the circle using the both input methods, which are circle by center and diameter. And along with that, we have also come to know how to make the circle using the 3 points. So this is all in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of this tutorial. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.